Okay, so we have an Audi A4 Avant. It's the Dynamic model, which is a 2-litre TFSI Quattro, 4-wheel drive. Beautiful condition. It's in grey, front and rear park. Wheels freshly refurbished. See down the passenger side, there's no dents, scuffs or scrapes. The bumper the same. Look inside the car. Okay, so we've got 49,386 miles. Multi-function steering wheel, cruise control, sat nav, front and rear park, climate control, auto lights, race sense wipers. Condition on the door cards. It's very clean in the rear too. Rear seats don't look like they've been sat in. Okay, so recap: 2011 Dynamic 2-litre TFSI Quattro, 49,000 miles, supplied with a full MOT, pre-delivery inspection, serviced if ready, and our own in-house warranty. Please have a look on the website, which is idealtradecentre.co.uk. 30 plus pictures, contact number on there if you want to message, and mobile number on there. I'm Lee. Any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.